Hello, my name is Justin Dyson. I am in ASD, term 1406. This is project 2 of week 2 using remote data. So over here on the right is my application. As it opens up, it gives you a table with all of the author names from the subreddit that I chose to use. So there's 19 of them total. And if you click on one, it opens up a new window where at the top is the title of the window, which is the author of each post in the API. The image also comes from the API, and then so does this caption. And you can open each of these. They all have a different window. There's a scroll view in the event that the caption is too long. And some of these pictures are pretty cool. I guess that's what happens when you mix Photoshop with pictures of the Earth. So looking at my code, you have my app.js file, and this one you just have the main window, a navigation window, and the requirement that is used to get my API information. On this one, I have my URL, I have my HTTP client, and I open it and then I send it. The onload and on-error methods are actually defined in this logic.js file, which I require here at the top of this current file that I'm in. So looking at the logic.js file, if you go to the bottom here, that's the function that is called if the API doesn't load properly, and it's just an alert message that says unable to connect to the Reddit API, please try again. If you go to the top, if it is successful, it does a little bit more. This is where I actually create my table, and then I needed a little bit of logic here. There was actually 25 total items. Like I stated earlier, there's only 19 in that table. The reason I did that is because this line of code here actually says that if the .jpeg is not the last 4 characters of the URL string, then I don't want it. So basically it only creates a row for anything that has a .jpeg as the URL in the API information. So that's all created here, and then if you click on one, we actually open a new window here, and that is defined in this file, which is just a bunch of views. I have a scroll view, an image container, and then the image is placed inside of that, and then a caption. So that is it. Didn't have any real problems with this one. I actually had a few more successes. In my previous assignment, I had a trouble with where I located or where I put my require method. I actually kept putting it at the bottom, which is giving me a lot of problems. So I figured out, hey, if you put it at the top, it works a lot better, and it does. It made this so much simpler to write. So that's it for week 2. I'm hoping to keep going forward with week 3. Thank you.